Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Microsoft ads account number? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Microsoft ads account number anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you have multiple accounts with Microsoft ads, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Microsoft ads dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want your Microsoft ads account number, there's two different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is up here on the top left. You can just click on this menu right here on the top left. Once you do that, you can see your Microsoft ads account number right here. If you don't see it there for some reason, you can easily just click over here on the left and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to click on account settings. Okay, once you click on account settings, you're going to scroll down and you can see your account number right. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for your Microsoft ads account number, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.